Are you a publisher looking to boost your ad revenue with a reliable partner? Today, we're exploring the top 5 reasons why HilltopAds is an ideal ad network for publishers in 2025. From reliable payments to a rewarding referral system, HilltopAds offers powerful tools for boosting your revenue. So let's dive in. The HilltopAds Referral Program. As a publisher, you get a unique referral link you can share with others via your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. When someone signs up through your link and starts earning with HilltopAds, you get a percentage of their revenue permanently. That means even if you only refer a handful of high-traffic sites, you can earn consistent, recurring income without lifting a finger. When someone signs up through your link and starts earning with HilltopAds, you receive 5% of their revenue forever. The best part? If you're a content creator, traffic broker, or operate high-volume sites, you can apply for the VIP referral program and earn 10% lifetime commission on your referrals earnings. That's double the income, just for connecting others to a proven ad platform. HilltopAds offers a wide range of ad formats to suit any website. From pop-unders for high-traffic sites to subtle in-page push ads, the platform ensures effective monetization without harming user experience. Publishers can also benefit from vast video ads, video sliders, and traditional banners. For simplicity, the multi-tag feature allows multiple ad types to be run through a single tag, saving time and boosting earnings. This flexibility makes HilltopAds ideal for both small blogs and large content platforms. HilltopAds understands that fast, reliable payments are essential for publishers, whether you're just starting out or already generating serious traffic. That's why they offer weekly payouts with a low minimum threshold of just $20. You have the flexibility to choose from multiple convenient payment methods, including PayPal, Bitcoin, Paxum, wire transfer. This wide range of options makes HilltopAds especially accessible for publishers around the world. Whether you prefer traditional banking or crypto, they've got you covered. And best of all, payments are always on time. No delays, no payout issues, just dependable earnings delivered every week. HilltopAds delivers excellent results across major verticals like dating, mobile apps, games, iGaming, and e-commerce. Whether you're running desktop or mobile traffic, the platform connects you with high-paying advertisers and ensures strong CPMs, high fill rates, and optimized ad delivery. Its smart system automatically matches the best ad creatives to your audience, improving both engagement and revenue. With support for multiple formats like push, pop-unders, video, and interstitials, you can monetize efficiently without sacrificing user experience. Lastly, one of the most impressive aspects of HilltopAds is their extensive network of partnerships with top-tier brands and e-commerce companies. This means you're not just running generic ads. You're tapping into a high-quality advertiser pool that enhances both earnings and user experience. But what truly sets HilltopAds apart is their commitment to personalized support. From the moment you register an account, you're assigned a dedicated account manager, a real person, not a chatbot, ready to guide you every step of the way. You can reach out via 24/7 live chat, Telegram, email, or even Skype, depending on your preference. Whether you're troubleshooting ad tags, looking to optimize performance, or scaling your traffic, your account manager is always within reach, offering tailored advice to help you succeed. This level of one-on-one communication and transparency transforms the experience from just using a platform to being part of a productive, long-term partnership. And that's a rare quality in the world of ad networks. So what are you waiting for? Your traffic has value, and it's time you start earning from it. Check out the registration link in the description and pinned comment below. Sign up for HilltopAds, set up your first ad in minutes, and start turning your website traffic into real, recurring income. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, HilltopAds gives you the tools, the support, and the performance to grow your revenue fast. If you need help getting started, make sure to watch the full tutorial playlist step by step. Every video is designed to guide you clearly from A to Z. And if you have any questions along the way, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help you out.